Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode problem 2264, the largest three same-digit number in a string. So in this problem, we are given a string nums, which represents a very large integer. So we are only going to have numeric digits in that string. And integer is a good if it meets the following condition. Okay, so if an integer is good, it means that it is a substring of nums with length 3. So our given string nums will get a substring of length 3 and it consists of only unique digits. So any substring of length 3 with all the unique with only one digit, like all three digits should be same. So that is a good integer. Okay, and we have to return the maximum good integer as a string or an empty string if no such integer exists. Okay, let's have a look on this example. So here the problem is saying that we need to this is our nums and we have to find a substring of length 3 with all characters or digits as same. Like for that, how do we do that? Maybe we'll just check for all the substring of length 3. Let's say for the first case 676, not all three digits are unique. For the second one 777 all are same, so it is following the both the condition. It is a substring of nums with length 3 and consists of only one unique digits, so that is a valid candidate for our answer. So let's say we are tracking answer in somewhere else in answer variable, so that 77 is the answer so far. So but we can also get larger answer later on, so we'll keep on doing that. So further we will check for 771. We uh, all three characters are not same, so we will move further. 713, not all three characters are same. 113, no, we won't check. And then 333, all three characters are same. Now we will compare its value with the answer we have captured so far. So that is not greater than answer we have already encountered. So we will move further. 333, this is 333, this is not a valid candidate for our answer. And in the last 339, which is which won't be considered because all three characters are not same. So we have iterated over our num string and captured the substring with the largest value. So we are going to just do the iteration over this nums string and checking for all the three length substring, and we'll capture the substring with the maximum value. Okay, let's quickly write the code for this problem. We'll store our answer in answer variable to store our answer. Let's also capture the length of nums. So I will just iterate from 1 to second last. It's up to you whether you want to start from 0 index or not. I less than n minus 1. I'm skipping the first character and the last character. I plus plus. So in the last we are going to just return our answer. Okay, and we have to capture the maximum answer, so lexicographically largest substring. So we will check for the substring even if it is having all the characters same. So if num dot let's take them as a separate variable, character a is equal to num dot char at I minus 1, b is the second character, c is the third character. Second character is at ith index, third one is at first index. So if a equal to b and b equal to c, if all three characters are same, in that case we will just capture our sum substring. If answer dot compare to, compare to with num dot substring. Substring from where to where? From I minus 1 to I plus 2, because last index is not included. So it would be I minus 1th index, I index, and I plus 1th index. So answer dot compare to this temporary substring. So if answer is lexicographically shorter than this temporary string, in that case it is going to return the negative value. If it is same, it will return the equal to 0. If answer is larger, it will return the larger value, positive value. It compares the ASCII actually. So if it is less than 0, it means that we need to update our answer. So answer will be updated to, let me also extract it to somewhere else. String temp is equal to this, and answer is equal to temp. In that case, we are going to have the largest substring. Submitted over sample test cases. It got successfully submitted. Okay, hope you understood the problem. Thank you guys.